Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Trigonometry Introduction. In simple terms, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics dealing with lengths of sides and angle sizes in right-angled triangles. It is used extensively in such areas as engineering, surveying, architecture, navigation, and astronomy, to name a few. Naming the sides. Let's look at this right angle triangle here where this angle is called theta. Okay, that's the reference angle. So let's concentrate on this angle theta. Once that angle has been positioned or placed there, all those sides have specific names. Let's have a look over here what we're talking about. In solving a problem involving a right angle triangle, we must determine the position of the three sides. The first one is the hypotenuse. This is always opposite the right angle. So wherever you see the right angle in a right angle triangle, the side which is directly opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The opposite side. This is always opposite the given angle or the angle whose size we are trying to find. So when we have an angle here, whether it's an unknown angle or an angle whose size we know, the side that is opposite, there it is there, that is called the opposite side. Finally, we have the adjacent side. This is the remaining side which is next to the reference angle. Adjacent means next to, so you can see that this side is next to the angle in question, and that's why it's called the adjacent side. Name the sides in each of the following triangles in relation to the given angle. So number one, we have the given angle here theta, so we have to name A, B and C. A is the hypotenuse because it is opposite the right angle. B is called the opposite side because it is opposite the angle in question. C is called the adjacent side because it is adjacent or next to the angle. Number two. Here we have theta and we have ABC. A is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. B is the adjacent because it is adjacent or next to the angle. C is the opposite because it is opposite to the angle in question. Number three, we have theta, and here we have A, B, C. A is the adjacent because it is next to the angle. B is the opposite because it's opposite the angle. C is the hypotenuse because it's opposite to the right angle. And number four, we have theta, then we have DEF. D is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. E is the opposite because it is opposite to the given angle. And F is the adjacent because it is adjacent or next to the given angle. So this short video has given us a very basic introduction into trigonometry, which deals with angles and sides in relation to right angle triangles. That's an introduction, so we'll just look at right angle triangles for the time being. And we've seen how we can name each of the three sides when we have a particular angle in place. So this basic introduction to trigonometry will lead to some more advanced lessons in the future.